I'm Dorothy, the owner and founder of Flower Budgets. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, how to create your first budget. Budgeting is an essential skill that can help you manage your finances effectively and reach your financial goals. Before we get started, let's talk about why budgeting is important. Creating a budget helps you track your spending, to understand where your money goes each month, save for the future, to set aside funds for emergencies and long-term goals, avoiding debt, to live within your means and avoid unnecessary credit card debt. Alright, so now it's time to get hands-on. Before creating your budget, gather all your financial information. This includes your income statements, like pay stubs or any other sources of income, your bills, like rent, your mortgage, utilities, or subscriptions, your bank statements to track your spending habits. Now let's create your first budget with step-by-step guidance. First, calculate your total income. Identify all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any other earnings. Total them up to know what you're working with each month. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. Fixed expenses are the ones that don't change each month. These typically include rent or mortgage payments, insurance premiums, loan payments. Identify variable expenses. Variable expenses can fluctuate each month. They include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Step 4. Set savings goals. Determine how much you want to save each month. Consider both short-term goals like a vacation and long-term goals like retirement. Step 5. Allocate funds to each category. Now let's use the Flower Budgets approach. Allocate 60% of your income towards bills and fixed expenses, 20% towards variable expenses, and 20% towards savings and debt. Step 6. Review and adjust your budget. After a month of following your budget, review your spending. If you have money left over in the bills and fixed expenses category, you can leave it as a buffer or reallocate it. Take the allocated amount for bills and fixed expenses, divide it by your total income, and see what's left. Divide the remainder by 2 to adjust the percentages for variable expenses and savings and debt. One of the great things about budgeting is that it's flexible and can be tailored to your unique financial situation. The savings and debt category can be adjusted to suit your needs. For example, focus on paying off debt. You might choose to allocate 15% of your income towards debt repayment and 5% towards savings. This strategy can help you reduce your debt faster while still building a small savings cushion. If you're debt-free, you have the option to allocate the entire 20% towards savings. This could be for emergencies, investments, and other financial goals. Or splitting the percentages equally. If you prefer a balanced approach, you might decide to split the 20% allocation evenly, while 10% going towards debt repayment and 10% towards savings. Remember, the goal is to find a balance that works best for you and your financial circumstances. Don't be afraid to tweak these percentages as your priorities or financial situations change. Remember, the goal is to find a balance that works best for you and your financial circumstances. And there you have it. You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by creating your budget. Remember, budgeting is a continuous process. Be flexible and make adjustments as your financial situation changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budgeting tips and financial advice. Happy budgeting, and see you next time.